Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how I actually start about through something that we can start to lure text uh on Figma. First of all, what you're gonna do is about be really satisfied with the progress that you want actually through it. What you're gonna do is about be really satisfied with this progress as soon as possible. Whenever you want through every single moment that we want actually through it. About select your text. It's about to add a layer blur, and we have to start it right here to start it for this text. And then as you can see, so you're gonna do is about to add this text and then about edit. And this really to be satisfied with actually something for it, and then it's about to click on it and then about to scroll down, click on effects and then click on blur layer or blur, and that is all about.